39 from a Cat Eyes collection. Hold on. Is that number 39? Is it Cat Eyes? I think so, right? Let's find out. Just leave it there.
39.
Yep, it is. Sorry, because we have is Aurora, so it's really close color with that. So I am going to using the stat and then just face is right on the top of the color. You don't need to go left, right, top, down. Do not confuse yourself and don't make it too difficult, because then that way your cat eyes will turn out exactly the way you are going to. So wherever you turn different angle is going to give you really a nice effect. I have the same things on mine, but different. My smaller with the pinky. So I'm going to flash here. Hey Angela. Hey Mika. Hi Mama Vic. How are you? 30 seconds on that. And then we are going to put the top coat on and let do some sporty gels on this. A lot of you were asking for, and I'm going to go ahead and use golden and then dip green. It's going to be really simple. I'm going to show you to do just 2 petals